Welcome you all in my YouTube channel Engineering Guru 2020. In this video, I will cover component of heat engine. First of all, understand what is the heat engine. A heat engine is a device that converts chemical energy of the fluid into the thermal energy and utilize this energy to produce the mechanical work. So this is called heat engine. Now let's see the main component of the heat engine. The main component of the heat engine are first, that is heat source, second, working fluid, third, converting machine, fourth, heat sink. Now understand one by one. First, that is heat source. Heat source is the reservoir of heat from which heat is continuously supplied to the working fluid. Example, furnace of boiler, combustion chamber of LC engine, etc. So this is called heat source. So heat source is a reservoir of the heat from the heat is continuously supplied to the working fluid. So furnace boilers is the example. So it is called heat source. Now second, that is working fluid. It is a medium which receives the heat from the heat source and transmit into the heat engine for doing work and reject some heat to the heat sinks. So heat example is steam in the steam turbine. What is boiler? Different types of boiler mounting as accessories. You can refer our previous playlist. You will get all the knowledge about the boilers. How can steam generated? How can draw the boilers? So all the video will be available in the playlist of the boiler. Now working fluid. So working fluid is the medium which receives the heat from the heat source. Already we discussed in heat source. Heat source is the reservoir of the heat which heat is continuously supplied to the working fluid. It is the medium which receives the heat from the heat source and transmit into the heat engine for doing work or reject some heat to the heat sinks. So the heat engine for doing it transmit it to the heat engine and for doing work and reject some heat to the heat sink. So this is working fluid. Now third, that is the converting machine. A device which convert heat energy into mechanical work is called converting machines. For example, steam turbine in steam power plant. So we will see the schematic diagram of the steam power plant in this video later. Now we already discussed it. The heat engine is the device that converts the chemical energy of the fluid into thermal energy and utilize this energy to produce the mechanical work. So this is the mechanical work. So converting machine is the device to convert the heat energy into mechanical energy. And final, that is heat sink. It is a low temperature reservoir where heat is rejected. Remember this thing, the heat is rejected in the heat sinks by the working fluid. Example, condenser in the steam power plant. From the sink, the working fluid is recycled to heat source by the pump to complete the cycle. So this is called heat sinks. Now understand the schematic diagram of steam power plant. So figure A shows the schematic diagram of the steam power plant. Steam is generated into the boiler and heat Q1. So this is the schematic diagram of the steam power plant. First understand that is the boiler. So boiler, this is the main part, steam turbine. This is called condenser and this is feed pump. So this schematic diagram will follow these directions. Now understand how can it work. The steam generated in the boiler and heat Q1 is supplied to the steam turbine. Here you can see that this is the boiler which can supply the heat to the steam turbine like this. This is point number 1. Work is developed in the turbine and exhaust steam from the turbine flow in the condenser where heat Q2 is rejected. This steam is entered into the steam turbine. After this is your point 2. In condenser, the heat Q2 is rejected. So this is in and this is out.
First open YouTube and write down Engineering Guru 2020. Search. This is Engineering Guru YouTube channel. Open this and subscribe this for more update. Various playlists available here. You can see this is for various subject. This is for velocity diagram, uniform velocity, for chem profiles, synthetic linkage, and more playlists are here.
Steam get condensed and is returned to the boiler by means of pump. So here this Q2 heat is rejected. So condensed in condenser and the steam get condensed and is returned by this pump. So this is called steam power plant. Figure B shows the schematic diagram of heat engine. You can see that this is heat engine. This is the Q1 heat supplied and Q2 heat out. This is the source T1 and this is the sink T2. So this is the end of this video. In this video we covered component of heat engine, then understand the schematic diagram of steam power plant and diagram of the heat engine. If you find my video very helpful, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, join us on FB page, join us on Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, Engineering Guru 2020. If you find my video very helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay on this channel. More video will become of the playlist Heat Engine.